Good evening. Welcome back once again to the weekly analysis. So today we are going to talk about dollar and the other pairs that we talk about every week. So without much talking, let's start with it. So for DXY, what I'm really expecting for this week is that price will continue with its bullish momentum to the upside, right? So last week we closed around this level. If you go to the weekly time frame, this is how the weekly candle is looking like. It's like an inside bar candle, same as this candle right here, right? And we saw that, this month we closed around this level, so this one will become our monthly high and this one will become our monthly low, right? So if you go back to the daily and look at how price was moving around this level, it was like impulsive move, correction, impulsive move, correction, impulsive correction, impulsive, right? And then we switched to bearish around this level, and then starting from this month we impulsed the upside. We price gave us a little bit of correction, and then we it gave us another impulsive move, correction, and then it gave us this kind of slow week, which was last week, right? And next week is full of news. Let's take a look at the calendar going to next week. So next week on Monday we are having like USD news, and then Tuesday till Friday we're having like every day is full of news, so it'll be a very good week to trade. As last week, as we saw, was a very slow week, nothing really interesting to trade last week, but this week is really full of news, so it'll be a very good week. Let's go back to, where is it, to our chart, sorry. So if we come right here on DXY with that information in mind, what I'll be expecting going into the week is the price will continue with its bullish momentum, right? We got this this currently the we are forming kind of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now we are kind of sitting right here. So going to next week, I would like to see one more push to the upside to take out this high right here, because as we see, this high right here is the closest liquidity target to for the market to target, right? And also this one, the previous month's high, is also a liquidity target for the price to target. If you go on the 4H, this is how price is looking like. On the 4H, you're having this kind of liquidity right here, right? That price could easily target before going to the upside. So there's two possible scenarios. Price will come low, take out these liquidities, and then from there push to the upside first, right? Or price could easily give us this kind of move to the upside first, and then from there we will kind of reevaluate the market and see what price will be doing, right? And there you're having this kind of order block on the 4-hour. But reason why I don't like, I won't be interested in selling it from this order block is because in the past we also saw this kind of 4-hour order block right here. It held price, but price just came up and take it out. So selling from the above, it's not really that good for me. So going to next week, I won't be selling from this order block, but it's there, so you have to be aware of it. The price could easily stall when it gets to that level, okay? But overall, what I'm expecting is the price will go up and take out this high right here, the 105 level, and then from there we see what price will do. And also on the daily, we're having this kind of daily POI right here, right? And we are having this volume imbalance right there, where price could also easily target around the 105.825 level, right? So also keep that one in mind. If price was to take out this high, I'm not thinking, I don't think it will just take it and then drop instantly. What I think is, if price was to go up and take out this high, it will eventually keep on going high, right, till it takes out this, till it gets to this level, and then from there we may get some kind of push to the downside, something like this, and then continue with the bullish momentum, right? Because as you see, if you mark up this this impulsive move right here, this was just a correction, right? Price came to the 61.8 level, I think, right there, the 59% level, and then from there we rally to the upside, right? We are in the rally right now, and the same thing can be done for this one too, right? If price was to go there, then we could expect price to give us the corrective move around this level, and then from there push to the upside, right? That's what I'm saying right now. Trying to short the market isn't that best, right? Although you're having all of these liquidities lying below here, it's best to just trade with the trend, as the trend is your friend, right? So just keep it in mind, because for me, I'm also interested in all of these imbalances right here, where I would like price to come and refill it. So I'm interested in all of these imbalances if price was to come low, right? But as for now, the target is to the upside, and if price was to come low, then we also look for some kind of bullish momentum to the upside too. Okay. So this will be it for pound USD. I mean for the dollar. If you go to AUDUSD, it's kind of the same as with all of the other dollar pairs. For AUDUSD, what I'm currently looking is the price will, I mean, continue with the bearish momentum to the downside, targets these lows, right? And from there, we will look at DXY. If DXY is around that level that we have talked about, then we will see what price will do, right? But as for now, it's either this move or we may get some kind of bullish momentum to the upside, right? And then from there, we may reverse the market to the downside, right? Something like this. For EURUSD, let's go to NZDUSD first. For NZDUSD, it's kind of also similar to AUDUSD, right? If you go on the daily time frame, you see that this market is really in a, it's a bearish market. So on the daily time frame, you're having this kind of this is the nearest POI that we could trade from, right? And as you see, prices mitigated it. So going to next week, I would just like to see the bearish continuation to the downside, target these levels and come to this level at least. And then from there, we will see what price will do, right? Either give us that reversal to the upside or, just continue to blow it to the downside, right? But this is my targets. Is either price will continue low on the daily, right? And then after DXY hits the target that you have talked about, then we will look to see what we'll do with this market. But it's either low or if price was to come up, I'll expect some kind of reversal on the market to the downside, something like this. Okay, let's go back to the 4 hour. Let me see. Yeah, okay, it's good. For USD cut, no. For pound USD, this is what I'm looking like. I'm looking at. So on the daily, as we see, we're having this kind of trend right here, trend line right here. That is kind of pushing the market to the downside, right? What I would like to see is for the market to just continue with this bearish momentum, just like on DXY. I would like market to keep on with the bullish momentum to the upside. I would also like to see price continue with the bearish momentum to take out at least these lows, and then from there we could see some kind of reversal coming to the market to the upside, right? Something like this. Is what I'll be looking for. It's either this or if you open the week, or if you open the week, price could easily just start going to the upside like this, and then from there you could see some kind of bearish momentum coming in and shift the market back to the downside, something like this, right? So that and this whole upward move will become like, let's say a weekly wick for the market, right? But there's what I'm basically looking at. Is either we continue, price opens, we continue lower, and then around these levels we may look to reverse the market to the upside, or price comes up around this level, and then from there we will look to saw the market to the downside. Okay, so there's my levels that I'm looking at. I'm looking at, yeah, because Mondays are very tricky to trade. That's why for me, mostly Mondays, I don't trade. I just wait and see how the daily candle closes, and then from there I'll look to evaluate the market and get some plans going in for the week. But these are my levels. If the market opens and comes down straight to this level, then I'll be looking to fade, move to the upside, 1 or 2 days move to the upside, and then look to buy it. But if it comes to these levels, then I'll look to sell the market to the downside. Okay. EURUSD. For EURUSD, currently this is the trade that we are in. I sent out this trade on Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, right? And it came to pick 13.5R, right? And there's another trade that we are currently in right now, and we are in this trade just because of the dollar momentum to the upside, right? As I said, right, the dollar didn't trade on Friday, but currently the dollar is sitting around this level, right? And if the market opens, as I said, I would like to see the market just continue to the upside to these levels, right? But if it comes low, then it will be the same for EURUSD. So what I would like to see on EURUSD going to the week is that when we open the market, the price will continue low, right? Will continue low, just like on the dollar. And with where the dollar will be, I'll look to see if price will be around this POI right here or around this other block. And then from there, I'll look to fade the move to the upside, something like this, right? It's either this or price could easily just blow this one to the upside and then keep going up, and then on Wednesday or Thursday make some kind of reversal in the market to the downside. One of these things is what I'm looking for, right? It's either the sells or the sells to the buys, right? So this is basically what I'm looking at going to next week. It's either it moves to the upside first, right? We go to the upside first and then we come low, or we go low first and then we go to the upside. Right? This is just what I'm looking at going into next week for EURUSD. Okay, for gold, this is what I'm looking at right now. So as we see, gold right here, we're having this kind of liquidity right here, but I'm not expecting price to come low and take it out. I'm just expecting bullish continuation on this pair. As we see, gold is really in a bullish, bullish phase. You can't just look to go and sell it, right, without this weekly candle close. You can't just go in and sell it. So what we will do, or we will be doing, is just trading with a trend, right? We're having this kind of daily POI right here, right, where I would like to see price come back and retest it. It doesn't need to, right, but if it comes, it's a 4-hour POI. It doesn't need to, but if it comes, then we may look to fade the move to the upside, right? So it's either we get something like this and then we come low, and then from there we will look to buy it again, right, to the upside, or price could easily just open with the week and go to the upside, and then from there look to sell it to the downside. But selling from these levels is even risky because this gold market is a bullish market, so selling it isn't that good to do, right? But these are my levels, and if price was to come here, then the same thing, right? If price comes deeper into this level, then I'll look to fade the move 1 or 2 days to the upside, and then from there sell it to the downside, right? But I don't think the price will be coming that deep. But if it comes, then you know what to do, right? Because you're also having this kind of 4-hour POI right here. The price hasn't mitigated yet, so price could easily come there before go into the upside, right? So look for these kinds of moves. Yeah, I think that'll be all. And if you have any kind of question, just join our Discord group. I'll put it in the description. And if you if you join, there are many people there that can easily help you. They will help you with any question that you like. May it be concerning about structure or any other thing, they'll just help you. But if you just want to ask me a question, me personally, you can find my my socials under this video, and also you can even contact me through Discord too. So yeah, I think that will be all for today. And if you have any question, as always, let me know. Subscribe and like the video, share it with others, so that the YouTube algorithm will kind of boost the engagement of the video, so that we can also try and help other people that aren't seeing the video. So once again, thanks for watching, and see you again next week.